Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that we will check out today in this video. So as we know that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra got a January update of security patch, and now there's another update available of January security patch. And if you want to install that, you just have to go into your settings and then you have to select software update. From here, as you can see, the previous update was of 1st January 2025, and now we have another update of January 1st 2025, and this is a 420 MBs of update. And talking about what's new, so this update brings in some device stability improvements. The security of the device will be improved with some new or enhanced features for the further improvement to your performance. Also, I was facing a lag with the previous update while opening and closing of the apps. Let me know in the comment section that are you facing that lag or not. Hopefully this update will fix that. To update it, you just have to simply download this update first of all, and depending on your speed, it will download this update. It is 420 MBs in size. And once the update is downloaded, you just have to simply install this update. But make sure to install this update when your device is completely free, as you won't be able to use your phone during the installation process. So make sure to install this update when your device is completely free. Now you just have to simply tap on install now and the installing process will begin. So I will quickly fast forward this part of the video. During the installation process, you just have to simply wait for a while until the installation process is done. And finally the update is installed and the device is a bit smoother than before. And now when we will check for the new updates, it will show that your device is up to date with the latest update. I hope that the next update that we will see on this S24 Ultra will be of the One UI 7, as the One UI 7 is now released with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, we are on the beta version 3 of the One UI 7. Let me know in the comment section that have you installed the One UI 7 beta version or not. One UI 7 will also bring in some latest Galaxy AI features. By the way, I have made a video in which I have shown 25 Galaxy AI features that you can try out. You can check that out by simply going to the link mentioned in the description. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.